Estrellier ang papalo. Sepada with the up. Ara Panique.
I love how Panique is just going up and beyond with her backline hits.
And we have our second technical timeout. 3 points away. Ara Panique, you can't give her that kind of an opening. Itura, interesting serve right there. Ara Panique will not be denied. There she is, Ara. All 5'11" of her in this game. Sa gitna ngayon, Belen with the easy up. Oh, and Ara Panique
hitting so well from the back. She's been so confident. And
sa kabila, itong si Estrellier. Pangilinan will set it up. Ara Panique. And
know that Ara Panique is very comfortable and powerful with those cross-court hits. We have yet to see a variation from her.
6'4". Oh, an ace. Galing kay Panique. Such a luxury for Coach.
Perfect first ball. And Panique.
And between Lams Lamina and Ara Panique, although not the ini yung malinis na attack na
Nilang pababain na isang puntos yung lamang dito ng NU.
Bella Belen in front, and you also have Ara Panique, so the options of
Panique.
Good defense.
Yeah. Bakanki now. They're gonna go for Bakanki again. Wow. What a denial there from Panique.
Arape. Again, of course, Panique is known for her lethal blocks, her lethal net defense.
Attack. Good recovery there coming from Lovely Lopez. Free ball. Lamina. Combination to Panique.
Hitter. The past few games,
Yes.
she was playing as an opposite hitter, but now as an open.
Panique. Lamina will go to Panique again.
And also targeting the smaller blocker
Exactly. And Daira, you know,
system of NU. So this could be a very big advantage for Eliarina.
but speaking here, going back to Panique. Serve. Good serve.
Wow, what a
Let's take a one more look on that very good service there coming from Ara Panique.
and also match. Very intense from FEU and NU. Another ace from Ara Panique. What?
Team captain, you know, you need to be calm to lead your team. but guys,
Oh, Jong.
and I think that makes me more excited to watch Ara Panique coming for the preseason for NU. Oh!
4 service aces from Ara Panique.
You to create an attack. Ubaldo will create and will go to Tagaod. Ara Panique.
Panique's oozing off of this young lady.
Ara Panique, you know, despite her height, still managed to, with a little bit of swag there. Nationals and for 2 preseason, I think they're swept yung eliminations. Really not tallying any loss in the...
He has 6 points total.
Wow. But new lineup here for NU. Ara Panique, don't forget, Ara Panique.
Here she is again. Cannot count Ara Panique out.
You really cannot count Ara Panique out because Ara Panique. Oh!
Service
Wow!
ace yet again. Her 6th service ace.
There will be an ace every time that Ara Panique is on deck to serve. And I think that is... Bella Belen Tagaod with a very good reception. Bakanque! Whoa! Whoa!
But look look at the press she did in that block, resulting it to go straight down.
Good anticipation, especially here in the second set. Full serve here for FPU Bella Belen. Ara Panique!
The confidence, the power.
Ara Panique, that's worth to watch. Another.
But you have to credit Lamina with that set as it was already too close.
Here, playing for Lady Tamaraos. Ara Panique from the opposite, and that is...
Against these two squads.
And be mindful, guys. Tagaod. Let's see what will be the play from the back. Ara Panique, and that's good. Good dig.
Back to Petalio.
Lamina. Panique. Oh. Panique receiving. Oh. Tagaod. Petalio. Harder is there. Lamina. Panique again. Tight with that power. Oh. That is really so hard to defend. Ara Panique.
Ara Panique says
Cheers pa. Ara Panique could play for NU.
another
Wow.
point for Ara Panique.
Calling, the mastery of position. But Ara Panique, she could be a service specialist, a middle blocker, a wing spiker.
Block in the open side and also the setter.
Ara Panique again, good block there from Elia Rina. Bella Belen sa likod.
Great defense from FEU. What a hustle.
Lamina. Panique will try. That is out.
Point is awarded to NU.
For that information, Gaira. But there you go. Tagaod. Lamina. Ara Panique again. And that is in.
Ara Panique is just
Hardio with that good reception. Lamina. Erin Pangilinan, the captain. Petalio on that broken play. Lamina. Panique! Wow!
here in the Shaky Super League as her hits have become a lot
Yeah.
stronger and sharp.
And then you right now, opportunity to attack for FAU. Lamina. Panique sa likod.
Panique successful yet. And the improvement
Yes.
that she has is impeccable. Especially Ara Panique.
Sessions. Chini Tagaod. Bella Belen. Grace Bumbita. Scoring again. Ara Panique. And you, that has been their hobby, collecting championships here in Shaky Super League. Bakangke. Lamina. Ara Panique!
And Wewe Estoque.
And that point, tama, Gaira, officially making point for NU. Oh!
Ara Panique with her 27th point